Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Software updated and battery above 20% so transfers won't fail. Now enable NFC in Settings Connections. Swipe to NFC and toggle it on. Once done, open Tap and Pay to choose a default payment app or secure element. You do this now because a default app handles handoffs automatically. If you skip it, you'll be prompted every transfer and risk dropped connections. Next, configure how your phone reads and sends data. Open NFC settings and enable Nearby Share or Android Beam alternatives if present. Make sure host card emulation is allowed for payment and transit cards. You should also set permission prompts for apps that use NFC so they run in foreground. Now test with a passive NFC tag. Place the tag against the top back area near the camera. Hold steady until you feel a vibration and see the app open, which confirms correct alignment and permissions. To finalize, practice real tasks. Tap to pay at a terminal, scan an NFC tag for a URL, or pair headphones by touching them to the sensor area. When you tap, authenticate if prompted. That secures payments. If something goes wrong, first toggle NFC off and on, then reboot the phone and re-authenticate your payment app. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reset network settings as a last resort. This fixes corrupted profiles that block NFC services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.